those guys. Nothing to see here. Nothing. Nothing to see here. Everything's fine.
Oh, yeah. That was fast.
Yeah, it was fun though.
I missed like 15 minutes of trail.
Yeah, we tried to go on to the other trail that's like attached to that one and got like 100 yards down it before we were like, okay, yeah, time to turn around.
You know why I talked about the butthole clenching?
Yeah, it was pretty hardcore.
I just walked around and picked up a little bit of trash.
Oh,
nice.
Good job, babe.
But I thought about walking around, and then I was like, I don't want to destroy Crest.
Right.
I don't want to get lost. I don't want them to come back and me not be here.
Right.
So I just stayed here
Good call.
and looked at the walkie-talkie every now and then.
I tried calling you from way over there.
Oh, I wonder, I left the walkie here. I left it in here when I went down there to pee and look for trash.
Ah.
Yeah, that makes sense why you wouldn't have heard me if it was in the truck.
Did you need me?
No. No, he was changing a GoPro battery.
Yeah.
And I was like, something to do. Hey, babe, what's up? How you doing? Hello, babe.
How are your hands and your feet?
Yeah, I didn't fall at all.
Good, you so good at this.
Josh lost a gear shifter.
Yeah, the gear shifter just came
This
off.
bike is a piece of shit.
It is.
The guy that owns this bike butchered
Yeah,
it.
but luckily he included tools, so he pulled the tools out and tightened it down.
Yeah, because, oh, they included tools in the rental?
Yeah, like in the side bags, like in those little panniers, he had like a, a tire patch kit and a tool roll kit.
Well, that's why he rents this bike.
Yeah, so he doesn't have to use it
So
himself.
he doesn't have to, he bought a nicer bike for himself.
That's
Right.
it.
Probably. Yeah, he said he was trying to sell it, and honestly, I don't blame him. I'd sell it too.
What year is this thing?
22, I think it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was a 22.
22?
Yeah, like he hadn't even had it long enough, that long. You know, like he's had it just long enough to figure out he didn't want it anymore.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah.
Or to like get frustrated, think it's him.
and then eventually come to the conclusion that it's crap.
Yes. Pretty much.